Okay, I got a successful launch of the dink, Cindy Mae Jr. There she is. Gonna go into town, get some supplies. Got a row over there to that dock. Not too far. Okay, rode that dink all the way in from the boat to here. We're at this nice little dock, park, whatever you want to call it. It's a nice little seawall where you can come and fish. There's a few fishermen out here. We'll see if this guy's got a bucket of sand perch.
They're delicious, man.
Yeah. Fish on.
You don't stop.
He's non-stop.
You're getting his money's worth out of them reels.
What are you catching them on? Just everything?
Yeah.
Have a look at it. Oh, they look tasty.
Yeah, that's
Right, so they were catching them there, and you go, this whole seawall you can fish off of. Then there's a really cool little U-shaped pier. Let's go out there and see what's happening. This thing goes all the way around. Never saw a pier like that, huh? Free for fishing. Some people really lug it in. They come equipped to camp out. Style fishing. This is the other side of the little pier. Guy out there fishing. Go see if he's catching anything. And the seawall goes on, stretches all the way around there. You can fish off of it. This looks like a fishing place. Ocean Kitchen Restaurant. Smells good. There's a post office where you can pick up your mail. Cuban restaurant. Liquor store, and hopefully there's a grocery store. Sure enough, there's a grocery store. Well, let's go in and get some supplies. The Hoochie Coochie Wax Studio. Full body waxing for men and women. Spray tan in Florida. We got a fish. Yeah, not very big. It's fish. Looks cool. Yeah. It's a little snapper. Beautiful fish, though. The colors on him. Oh well, it's time to teach this guy how to fly, right? That's what it's all about. What's that? Says he knows the magic word. What is it? Contact! Na 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 na. Contact! Ah. Bye bye. So I rode the dinghy into to shore. Got some food. Cooked a pizza in the skillet. Some tinfoil over top. Hey, it turned out pretty good. Stopped at the bait store. Got some shrimp. Caught one sail cat already. Tossed that. Then I happened to set up the camera here. Caught the little snapper. Hopefully we'll catch more. It's starting to get dark. Tide's coming in. Peace out, everybody. Oh, that didn't take long, did it? This one feels a little bigger. Hope it's not a kitty cat. That doesn't matter what it is. Fish, right? It's a lot bigger than that other one we just caught. That'll be a snapper. Right up on top of the other fish. Hooked catfish. He wrapped himself all up in that. Look at this little slimer. It's all rolled up in there. Hog-tied itself. He hog-tied his own self. There we go. Ha-ha. Unroll. Hey, stop that. Come on, we're going to give you a flying lesson, huh? Yeah. That's what everybody comes on this show for. Ready? Wait. Got the spins. It's going to puke. So we got the shrimp back. You're going to keep the shrimp. What's the magic word? Contact! Contact! Contact!